Mute. एक minute. Sir, hello. Please unmute. Thank you, sir.
Preparing for it. Tomorrow he has to. I think you have already. Yeah. What mark? Sunday. Yes. Sunday is area. What is it area? One day you supposed to come at 5:15 or something. Sorry, 5:20. Same one you run after that. 3 weeks is before you come. Last class who all were absent? What project and all you are telling?
Sir, we have continuous project and 6 projects of 6 different subjects.
What project is the doing?
Integrated project. And portfolio.
Oh, there is one is for.
Or internal marks. 20 marks internal marks.
Next morning, be careful on this. Okay. Aryan studying very hard. Not absent. Then he is always present. Huh? Homework. Homework done, all of you?
Yes, sir.
I know from Rahul sir did not come now. So always we only, no? All of you, huh? All of you standard. Hello, when did trigonometry did?
I didn't know trigonometry. I did quadratic
This 4:30 to 5:15. What did you do? Nothing. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? China, what did you do? Thank you. Thank you. For these all are united now. Okay. Our also will coming in, this unity should be there. 45 minutes just sitting out there and looking and laughing and geeking. Okay. Yeah, reading. Very good. Sit down, all of you sit down. And sir, I did tell you this. I thought, sir.
सर सबने नहीं करे उसने तो करे उसका तो ही करो
You are supposed to do 40 questions and come.
क्यों
I answer now.
तो 40
Then what?
सर एक मैं 30% नहीं कराया
Then what? Daily how many subjects you have to do? 10. Then no, 4 days. Huh? I'll call it. Chalo. Homework exercise is done.
Yes.
Any doubt certificates are there? We have completed the corporate document. Huh?
Collection is not done.
Who will do?
Well, we will do today.
Classwork is completed. China, classwork is completed. Then I have to tell you, please do the homework. Are you people? What if people are beginning?
not a whole exam
No, sir. Which exam?
the government
Circles and applications are
Which exam?
what are the half yearly exam चलना है 80 marks paper
No. Achha, that's what now you do. What exam it is coming?
The time.
So, and he's also not doing anything. And here also, I did 10 questions. And exams are coming. So you could have then studied these 45 minutes. Which book was not there?
Application of
But other than,
another
hello, which are the chapters coming for this one?
application of
Sunday.
circuits.
And other. Oh, you know. No.
I don't know.
So you got only out of 40, how many marks you got? What mummy said, you remember PTM.
I was not there in the.
You are not there. Ask for me, then she will tell. Also, also he does everything. I know Sapat, everything I know. Practicing not properly. I'll call mommy to come one day. She told it all the kids and everything. Hello. Please do the exercises. Why didn't you do the homework exercise? I did not tell now. No. Okay. Now, homework exercise, all of you have to do everything. But online people, anyone done this exercise? Offline is that means online. Yeah. So, again, I have to remind you people, Ira, you done the homework? What homework? Today onwards, all of you listen. My language, all of you follow know what I am speaking. Today onwards, whenever an exercise is done, means it's homework exercise. Whether I tell or does not tell, you have to do it and come. Understood, China? Yes. Now, that is one word. Now, those who are telling this chapter is not there in the exam, you will do extra question from other chapters.
Yes.
Huh? Yes, you have to do it. Hello? Huh? So if you time is there, what you don't have time, that's the reason, huh? Yes. The 15, 4:30 to 5:15, what did you do? Yeah. Akshita, where is that other girl? Anwar. Or not normal? Yeah. When she comes in, she was scared of her. Okay. Hello. Now, anyway, let's start with this distance formula. We are done already.
Yes.
Okay, exercise we have to do it. Homework exercise. There is one question is there in the last question. Have you seen there is a figure is given? Okay, you have to read that question and you have to do it yourself. Question number 14 question. Oh, that is 7.24. Oh, that is in the next section. Okay, that is the homework only. No? Okay. All right. Next. So distance formula, all of you are done. We have done the formula and all. Okay. So in the homework, it says figures are there. That how many questions are there? Homework. 12 questions. Today which day? Right. So Monday will coming without homework.
15 questions.
15 plus this 12. Session.
We have tests on Sunday.
Session. Okay. Sunday what?
Chemistry.
Sorry, you review it once it all will.
I did last time.
When this girl first was see. After that you will start with another. Okay. You do one thing, tell mommy to make a note that because of him even I can't do the homework. Simple, no? Mommy, okay, she will write now. Yes or no? Just one note. Because of him even I cannot, she cannot. My child Saina cannot do the homework.
Can't do it.
Huh? What? Till for stand up there. Stand up. Yeah. Listen, what time is that today? Or why did you sleep till?
I was doing homework.
You are doing homework till 4 o'clock. Then school was not there. And then what time you woke up? Why did you sleep? 7 o'clock? 4 to 5, 6 a day now.
Same work we do.
My dear, sleeping, no. When the sleeping time is there, the time is for sleeping. Please sleep properly. Not that, so night I will wake. The next day. Now, all of you close your volume and listen. We go to the second part of the coordinate geometry. You know what this is? Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Distance formula we have studied. Distance formula is used for finding distance between 2 points. Okay. What is the formula? Aryan? N the root x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Come this side. First or second bench. Where are you going? Are you leave the bag? Nobody will take now. It's not required. You sit over here. Now look here. Next is section formula. Okay. Okay. Section formula. The word section formula, it's not distance formula. Word distance, you can array distance formula. Section formula means division of line segment. Means over here, if a line segment is given AB. C is the point which divides AB in the ratio M is to N. Let's say the coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. To obtain the coordinate of C, we apply section formula. So section formula is used to find out what? The coordinate of the point of division. What is given? The ratio of division is given. What is the ratio of division here? M is to N. And the endpoints are given. What are the endpoints are given? X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. So to do this question, what all values will be given? X1, Y1 is given, X2, Y2 is given, M is to N is given. So we are going to find the formula to find out the coordinate of C. Is it clear? Now I'm going to, first I'll explain how the formula comes, then I will. Now let's say for example, different row, perpendicular. Okay, see here. Let the coordinate of C is x comma y. Here also I'll draw the formula. Okay, this was P, Q, R, S, T. All 90 degrees are marked. Okay. Now, over here, so marking coordinates are come. What is OP? What is OP? X1 now. What is OQ? X. X2 or X? X. What is OR? X2. Then what will be PQ? X minus X1. That is same as AS. X minus X1. What is QR? OR minus OQ. OR is how much? X2 minus X. Therefore, this is equal to X2 minus X. Hope all of you followed. Okay. Then next is what is AP? AP is Y1. What is CQ? Y. Then what will be Y? CS? Y. CQ is Y. What is CS? Y minus Y1. This value is equal to Y minus 1. What is B? BR? Y2. What is BT? Y2 minus 6 by 9. That is equal to Y2 minus 1. So if you consider the triangle ASC and the triangle CTB, triangles, all the sides are there. Yes or no? Can you prove these two triangles are similar? Can you, similarity we studied now? Can you prove these two triangles are similar? Yes, who is that? Yes, tell. 90 degree, 90 degree, one. Which is the corresponding angles? Angle, these two angles you can take ACQ, ACS and CBG are corresponding angle lines above. Even these two angles are equal. Two pair of angles are equal, therefore these two angles are similar by A similarity. Therefore you will get AS upon CT will be equal to CS upon VT is equal to AC upon CB. Substitute all values, simplify. Finally, you are going to get a relation this way. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. And y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. This formula is called section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. M times opposite side x2, not x1, plus nx1. Learn all of you? All of you learned?
Yes.
Who has learned? After that, 1 second. Those who learned, let us stand up. Okay. I did also learn. You also learned. Yes.
X is equal to mx2 plus mx1
M. What are
n
nx1
upon nn.
mn? Now m plus n. Okay. Y is equal to.
Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n.
Sit down. X equal to.
X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus.
Sit down. Learn now. Okay. Y is equal to. M plus n. Sit down. Y equal to. M plus n. Okay. Are denominator is m plus n. X equal to.
X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n.
Sit down. Section formula is used for what? Section formula is used for what? To obtain the point of division. What is the ratio is given? Mn. M is to n. What are the endpoints are given? X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. You all know the formula now? I know the formula now. What is this formula?
Under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus
Sit down, sit down. No, you know now, all of you learn. Sit down now. Achha, you want to tell, okay, tell. You don't want to say, okay, I have C1, I have C1. Okay, tell.
I'll sit down in the one.
X. Sit down. Okay, chalo. Look here. No need of proof and all. Okay, here. A x1, comma y1. B x2, comma y2. And C is x1, x, comma y. This is m is to n. Ratio, you know what is the meaning of ratio?
Yeah.
What is the meaning, basic concept of ratio? For example, okay, this is called internal division, okay? Internal division means, suppose if it is AB, let's say C, what is the meaning of this 4:3? Basic meaning.
AC is 4 and CB is 3.
Means 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters. If you divide AB into 7 equal parts, AC contains 4 parts and BC contains 3 parts. Are you followed? Now, what is the relation between AC and AB?
4 is
AC and AB.
4 is 4 is
AC is equal to 4 upon 7 AB. BC is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. AC upon CB is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, these are the ratios is coming. Okay, all the order. Now this is called which division? Internal or external division? Internal division. How external division comes means suppose if this is AB. C will be externally, C extend and this is C. C divides AB externally. In the ratio, AC is to BC. That for the time being, you don't need to dismiss your. Okay, now look at the formula. X is equal to what is coming? M times opposite x2 plus n times opposite. You remember in the distance formula when we were doing, I said you can take x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1 square. There is no problem, but here no. Order is important. Be careful. Okay. Ashita, no problem now. So write in a book. Cutting right section formula. Section formula. Return first you draw this figure. Section formula. Figure draw. Then don't write the formula. I'll tell you what is. Yeah. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Consider the line segment AB. Consider the line segment AB, where A is x1, y1. Segment AB, where A x1, y1, B x2, y2. AB where A is x1, y1, B is x2, y2. Done?
Yes.
Next line, right? C divides AB internally in the ratio. C divides AB internally in the ratio M is to N. Internally in the ratio M is to N. You know how to write M is to N already now? M is to N. Then C is obtained by X is equal to, right, look at the bottom right. C is obtained by X is equal to mx2 plus nx1. Anika, what are you doing there? You are writing out X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. And y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Written? All of you. Now remember, this is what is C, the point. So when you write the answer, coordinate you have to write. Not x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. What is the answer? 3, 4. Are you followed? If x is equal to minus 6 and y is equal to 1 by 2, what is the answer? 6, 1 by 2. For ordered pair form you have to write because coordinate of C is coming. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Section formula. Now look here. Sometimes you will be given x1, y1. You will be given x2, y2. And you will be given x, y. The ratio will not be given. Means what do you find out?
Ratios.
What do you find out? M is to N. No, ratio means M is to N. We will take M is to N as K is to 1. Can you take this way? How?
C is to 1.
Huh?
But surely there's something.
Huh?
It takes C over the very good. 6
So look here. We can write, look here. 2 is to 3. Do you know what is the meaning of 2 is to 3? What is the meaning of 2 is to 3? 2 upon 3. That can be plus 2 by which can be plus 2 by 3 is to 1. Can you write this way?
Yes.
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 What is the meaning of 2 by 3 is to 1? That is same as 2 by 3 upon 1 now. It is same as 2 by 3 only now. Yes or no? Okay. So that is why you can write as k is to 1, where k is equal to m by n. You know why we are writing this one? Here how many unknown things are there? Here how many unknown things are there? So we reduced it to 1. Suppose if it is after solving, you will get k is equal to 2. Your answer is 2 is to 1. Suppose if it is k is equal to 2 by 5. What is the answer? 2 is to 5. That's all. Are you followed? Nothing else to do. Just find out and accordingly write it.
Sir, we don't have to prove that how MN is in question.
You don't have to
Prove that MN
find the ratio they will ask. So you let the ratio m is to n equal to k is to 1. Okay, so right. Oh, who is calling you? Not. My phone is there. I am looking always. When my phone will ring. Okay. Chalo. So right. If x if to obtain the ratio. To obtain the ratio. This is a not you can write and not e. Not. To obtain the ratio. We take m is to n is equal to k is to 1. Then the formula becomes x is equal to kx2 plus 1x1. 1x1 means x1 divided by k plus 1. And y is equal to ky2 plus y1 divided by k plus 1. Okay. Whenever to obtain the ratio, we will take. Find the ratio means you take the ratio as k is to 1. What is k is to 1? M is to n is equal to k is to 1. Okay, this is clear.
Yes.
No problem. Nothing much to do. You just, you will get the value of k na. Once you will get the value over k, so k is equal to 2 means what is the ratio? 2 is to 1. K is equal to 3 by 5. This is good as 3 by 5 is to 1 or 3 is to 5. Okay now? Okay. Now this also clear. This is nothing much to do. Just remember m is to n as k is to 1. So replace over there automatically. Now this also is clear. Hey, hello. Next. Suppose if C, listen all of you, next one. If C is the midpoint of AB, then M and N will be equal now. M and N will be equal means the ratio will come as what? 1 is to 1 now. Then what will be the formula will come? 1x2 plus 1x1 divided by 1 plus 1. That means x will be equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. And y is equal to how much you will get? y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So right. Below next one, right. If C is the midpoint of AB, then m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. And m is to n is equal to 1 is to 1. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to midpoint is x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. I think Parth got a lot of network problems in long time. Parth, Nikam,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir.
All well now? Where do you
Yes.
stay by the way, Nikam?
Sir, near Panvel,
Near Panvel. Place name is not there?
Lodhivli.
No, we heard about them. Vedant, you are in Vashi now.
Yes, sir.
So following now.
Yes, sir.
Screenshot. Okay, chalo, next. So this done, this all formula followed. Coordinate geometry, you don't have much formula. We have one distance formula, one section formula, and midpoint formula. We don't have. Huh? Which is the other formula? K/1 is the same thing now. Okay, now one more is there, it is for centroid. Especially, but who is the centroid man? Okay, so that one, so you have to that part only, but you have to read the question and identify what is given, what you have to calculate. Okay, that is very important. So that only you have to do. Question you want, right? Obtain the point of division. Divides A -3, 4. B -5, -7. The ratio 3:2. Point of division. A is given, B is given, ratio of 3:2. Obtain the point of
3:2.
3:2. I said 3:2. Only it is 3:2. Okay. All of you do it. All of you know, should I explain? Are you wanting to?
Sir, we will try.
Yes, this is one. This is explain. I don't know. Okay. Done. Two people done. Hello, lesson looking at book while she is getting already nervous. On the word you are looking. So section on this formula apply now. You have to find the ratio.
No.
Write the coordinate form.
Yes.
All are very different. Three people, three different answers. When keep finding out others. I don't know. Three, four, the different answer. That same answer. So I will do it. I will give the question. Yeah. Another one different answer. Another one different. Okay, now look here. All of you listen. Let's find out one. Another one more. Another answer. Actually, Harshi. Good. Now let's look here now. Stop writing. I will show now. Listen. What is x1, y1? Darshan.
-3, 4.
Okay. Kushal, what is x2, y2?
Sir, x2 is -7.
-5, -5. Chester, what is m is 12? 3:2. So look here. M 3 times x2 -5 plus 2 times equal divided by 3 plus 2. -50 -6 divided by 5 -21 upon 5. Why?
Yes.
3 times. Be quiet. I am correct. You are wrong. Be quiet now. Upon 3 plus 2. That is equal to -21 plus 8 divided by how much? 5. That is equal to
-39.
and all barabar -21, 5 minus 13 by 5. Who got this answer? I did not see anyone's answer. All change. Okay. Hello. Now next is, all of you listen. Denominator is plus. Remember. Okay. Now look. If you write this way, it's wrong. This is not the bracket. Ordered pair is denoted by what? Ordered pair is denoted by simple bracket. Their brackets has different meaning. If I write this way, this bracket has different meaning. If I write this way, meaning is different. If this one, meanings are different. Okay. So when the point means coordinate should be simple bracket. Okay, that will keep in mind. What is the other meaning? Other meanings we study. Okay, so this is the one. This is clear? No problem. Ratio well something you wanted to do or later? Now, give some exercise we can do now. Yes.
Yes, sir.
After that, I will give. Okay, read questions carefully. Okay, where to apply midpoint formula, where to apply section formula. Please try to do it yourself. And if not followed, you tell me. Okay, question page number 158. In front of you, you do this one. Read first question.
Minus 5.
2 minus 5.
Is equal to minus 3 minus 7.
Minus 3 minus 7.
Divide definitely E ratio 3:5. So that coordinates of point P are 1/8 minus 23 by
So you will not get to show that. Okay.
8.
Write this one on x1, y1, x2, y2. What is this P is equal to?
Yeah, 1.
That you have to show that the point B, that is the ratio. Look, this is the value you have to write.
P is the one that
Point P, okay. So substitute without mistake, substitute, check you are getting the answer. To prove will not get the answer, okay, still. You will not get this and prove. You will be getting find the coordinate. Substitute. Carefully substitute. This way, x1, y1, x2, y2, substitute. Without mistake. And check your answer is matching. If not matching, check what is the mistake. Okay. Hello, m plus n where it is gone? Divided by m plus n now. You're still unwell or what? Change sign up. Also then. So be careful. 3 times minus 3 plus 5 times 2 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 9 plus 10 divided by 8, 1 upon 8. Here 3 times minus 7 plus 5 times minus 5 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 21 minus 25 by 8 minus 46 upon 8. That is same as minus 23 by 4. Therefore, the coordinate of P is 1 upon 8, comma, minus 23 by 4. Hope all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
It's not that too complicated. We carefully do it. Don't do together. One by one do now. Complete it. Then do that. 1 upon 8. Now go to the other one and do it. Don't do both together. Second one. Mia, how are you? All fine now? Ganpati celebrations are there at home? Read the second question.
It meant AB is the diameter of the circle.
Huh? Read now properly now.
If A is equal to minus 2, 4 and C is equal to minus 4, minus 5, so that the coordinates of point B are minus 5.
What is AB? Mira, what is AB? Read the question well. AB is what? Diameter of a circle. Loudly tell now. What is C? Read and from center. Center. So what is the relation between AB and C? Anything? Anything. I am asking.
Various.
Do you know what the relation? C is the midpoint of AB. Correct. Right. Since C is the center and AB is the diameter. C is the center and AB is the diameter. Therefore, C is the what? Midpoint of AB. C is the midpoint of AB. Written all of you?
Yes.
Okay, then below. Coordinate of A is given. What is it?
Minus
X1, Y1 is equal to minus 2, comma 4. X2, Y2. Coordinate of B is given. Check. That thing we find out. X, C means X, comma Y. What is the value of X, comma Y? Minus 3, minus 1. So we have to find out X2, Y2. So midpoint formula apply. X is equal to X1 plus X2 upon 2. And Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 upon 2. Replace X value we know, minus 3. X1 we know, minus 2. X2 we don't know, upon 2. Cross multiply. Minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus X2. Bring minus 6 plus 2. So that is X2 is equal to minus 4. Hope all of you followed the way to do it. Chester followed. I didn't tell what you not followed. X2, Y2. What is C? Is the midpoint of AB. What is A then? X1, Y1. What is B then? X2, Y2. What is C? X, comma Y. Do we have X1, Y1? A is there. Do we have X2, Y2? Don't have. So question mark. Do we have X, comma Y? Yes. Same substitute. First, who's this girl? I will give one. She is 1 comma. At the left side also substitute. What are you doing? It's wrong. Can you see what is written? Look what is given. You are not reading the question. C is the midpoint. C is not X2, Y2. Look here. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is what? X1, Y1. This is what? X, comma Y. This is what? This is not. This is X, comma Y. This is X2, Y2. Try to understand. So what you have to find out accordingly you will substitute. Understood or not?
Yes.
Then replace. Y value. Why?
Sir, explain that.
This is A. This is B.
हाँ.
This is C.
हाँ.
So substitute now.
हाँ किया.
So
ये
X,
नीचे क्या है?
X is how much? Again X is how much? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
So cross multiply. Oh. This is called, what is this called? MATHS. You know what it is? Same way. Minus 5 is equal to 4 plus Y2 divided by 2. We will cross multiply. Minus 10 is equal to 4 plus Y2. Then minus 10 minus 1 is equal to Y5. Y2 is equal to minus 14. So you got, therefore, coordinate of B is minus 4 comma minus 14. Please read the question carefully. Try to analyze. Think and do. It's all not much complicated things, but understanding question is very important. Most of the people put X1 and X2, not that. You have to read what is given. It's not that directly you can put the formula. What given according to you. Clear. Next question, no mistake. Krista. Hello. Okay. Aryan, following now. We shall read the next question then.
Find the ratio in which the join of the points 1, 2 and -2, 3 is divided by line 3x plus 4y equal to 7
So the points are 1, 2
and -2, 3.
-2, 3. Line joining what?
Is divided by.
And we have to find out the ratio, means find the ratio that m is 23. Go to KH2. You have to find the ratio now.
Yes.
Dividing the line joining, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. And we have to find out the ratio. Okay. Now with that equation, we will apply, don't worry. This much is clear? So we'll substitute. We don't have x, we have m. M is what? K. We have x2 minus 2 plus 1 times 1 divided by k plus 1. That is x is equal to minus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Hope all of you followed. Second, y is equal to again k times 3 plus 1 times 2 divided by k plus 1. Therefore, y is equal to 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. This also followed?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Tell those on Krishna followed. Saina followed. This one, are we following anything? Do you know which chapter we are doing? Now listen. Ratio in which line joining, that means the point coordinate is what? X and y. Where it is x comma y, if you draw a rough figure, this is the way. This is A, this is B, this is the line. Okay, this is the k is to 1 item. What is this term? 3x. What is the equation given? What is the equation given?
3x plus 4y is equal to 7.
3x plus 4y equal to
7.
7. This is the coordinate C. C you got. C is a point on this line. So what we can do? Replace x and y. You draw this figure also, then it will be more clear. Since, okay. About if you want to write, let's C divides AB in the ratio. Here also write before. Let's C divides AB in the ratio. M is K is to 1. Let C divides AB in the ratio K is to 1. Now, after that, right, since C is a point on the line, since C is a point on the line, 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. So we will replace x and y. Value of x and y replace. How do you replace? 3 times minus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 plus 4 times 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 7. Have you followed what you have done? Instead of x and y, we replace x coordinate and y coordinate of C. This is x coordinate, y coordinate. Okay, so replace, solve it, you'll get the value of k. Simplify it. All of it. Carefully simplify. Complete mistake. The denominator is same now, throughout multiply by k plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So minus 2 times, sorry, 3 times minus 2k plus 1 plus 4 times
Sir, K is 4.
3k plus 2 is equal to 7 times k plus 1.
Sir, 4.
Often minus 6k plus 3 plus 12k plus 8 or 7k plus 7. This is coming how much? 6k minus 7k is equal to 7 minus 11. K is equal to 4. Check the steps. So once you wrote the value of K, below write what is the ratio. Ratio is K is to 1, means 4 is to 1. Path, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Your network problem here?
Yes, sir.
Ashita followed? Sure. Therefore, the ratio is K is to 1, 4 is to 1. Final answer. 4 is to 1. Okay, completed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, question. Read next question.
Find the length of the median of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 5, 5, 3, 7,
3, 5, 5, 3,
7.
7, 7. Darshan, what do you mean by median? You are expert in all this. A line joining the vertex to the midpoint. No. So the length of the median. So I can draw the median. This is D. Second median. Midpoint. E. Third median. And they are the midpoints. Okay.
Yes.
So right. Since the statement right. Since figure down all of you.
Yes, sir.
AD, PE, and CF are the medians. And CF are the medians. D, comma E, comma F are the midpoints. AD, PE, and CF are the medians. Therefore, it returns since written all of you, I think therefore D, comma E, comma F are the what? Midpoints. Midpoints. Okay. Midpoint of if you are right, DC. Now one by one we are going to find out. Only find out D. D formula is equal to x1 plus midpoint formula. x2 divided by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Do you know what is x1 plus x2? Midpoint of which one BC? This is x1, this is y1. This is x2, this is y2. So what did you get? 5 plus 7 divided by 2. And second one, 3 plus 7 divided by 2. Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
D is equal to 5 plus 7 is how much? 12 by 2, 6, comma 5. If you're writing everything in detail, it will be lengthy. That's why I did not put what is x1 y1. This is x1.
So now we have
This is E.
formula.
Find all the midpoint, then we'll use. Then similarly E. To find out E, what are x1, y1? These are the cases. Find out E. E. Same way. Apply. What is it? 3 plus 7 divided by comma 5 plus 7 divided by 2. What will you get? 10 by 2, 5. 5, comma 6. That is E.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then F. Brackets. 6, comma 5 D na. Then E. Not follow. D is the midpoint. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 divided by 2. 5 plus 7 by 2. y1 plus y2 divided by 2. 3 plus 7 by 2. E is the midpoint. So 7 plus 3 divided by 2. Second one, 7 plus 5 by 2. Understood or not? Now same way, now F we will find out. F is the midpoint of AB. So here also, how much? 3 plus 5 divided by 2. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. That is 8 by 2 is 4, comma 4. Are you followed, Ashita? Okay. So you got. And they put in bracket this way.
Okay.
Not this box. Okay. Now we have to find out the length of the median. Means first is the AD. AD is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Do you know what is x1, x2 and x1, y1 and x2, y2? What are they?
6 minus 0 square.
Huh? What is x1? A and D. If you want to mark over here, so no confusion. 6, 5. And this is what? 5, 6. And this is what? 4, 4. So AD means this. You cannot mark everything in the figure 6, x1, y1. So here, if you want in bracket here, it will write x1, y1 is equal to what is it? 3, 5. And x2, y2 is equal to how much? 6, 5. Okay, because you are finding AD. It's x1, y1. Every point, these values will change. Therefore, replace how much? Under root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square. 6 minus 3 whole square is 3 square plus 0. Answer is 3. Length of AD is equal to 3. Hope all of you following. Are you following, my dear? I'll tell loudly yes.
Yes.
Then all of you follow. Do it.
Yes, sir.
Equal to. Then find out B. Done now. Then Mr. Stand up. Stand up there. Come here. B.
B.
If you want in the side, if you want to write x1, y2, x2, y2, you can write.
B.
B, how is it?
Sir, measure.
You write like this on right side, you write x1, y1.
B.
Right, comma. Just done. Getting down? But how 6 minus 10? 3 minus 6. No. 6 minus 3. No. Is 2. Okay. B. Done. Then here. Have that one this side. This side. C and here and write C and is equal. All of C here. If you want to write C and F here, you can write. Or directly. C what? CF. CF. Hope all of you following. Here, when are you going to do one sum of the word? When are you going to do one sum of the word? That is the question I'm asking. Good. That's good. 3 root. Okay, followed all of you. Okay, so do it. Thank you very much. All of you, please stand there. Good evening to you.
Good evening.
This Sunday, what test paper was there?
Math.
Daughter, which was chapter?
Quadratic.
Quadratic. Tell 1 marks. Krishna, what is the marks?
Sir, I gave my paper late, so I will get no marks.
You don't give it as far. Full mark. Next. Saina.
Not yet.
No, very good. Are you also not given? No. Not given. Nice. You. Are you not given? You. Not given. Yes, sir. Not given. Very good.
Sir, I gave late, but I
Only
gave.
2 people. Very good. Today, at least 2 people appeared. Now, this Sunday, what is the next?
Time.
Next class always income here, not your time.
I gave. Yes, sir.
Oh, that is good.